Well, hello there everyone. This is Goodison Gamer. How are you doing everyone? Today I'm gonna take a look at Chuckie Egg on the Commodore Amiga, and the reason for playing Chuckie Egg is that I was running a poll recently, and the winner was Chuckie Egg franchise. So I'm going to do at least 3 Chuckie Egg videos in a row here. So let's start with the Amiga version from 1988. So if there is any new viewers here, feel free to subscribe if you want to see any more content, and you can request games down in the comment section as well. So here we go. So I play with my Xbox One controller here, and I need to collect all the eggs here, and the bird seeds is not necessary, but it gives you extra points, I think. So we need to stay away from the birds here, because they protect their eggs with their lives and want to kill me. So let's stay here and take it easy. There is a time limit up to the right there. Whoop! So the control can be a little problematic sometimes, because it has its own life. So sometimes it jumps when I don't want it to, and so on, but I should try to do my best here and hope for the best as well. So it's pretty straightforward here in the beginning, but it will be a lot trickier later on. Oh shit! That's what I'm talking about. It has its own life there. I didn't want to go up there actually. So come on. Damn it. Come on, get off the ladder. There. So now I got 1 egg left down to the left there. So this is a really fun game actually. Oh shit. Damn it. Let's stay here and so, can I go down here now? There you go. Second level down. This is tough here. You need to jump on this elevator here and time your jump. I should try, oops, go over here first and collect some eggs, and that's it. Oh, what I cannot collect more. I cannot get up here. So, wait. Shit. I'm not good at this one. Actually, I had not a clue about Chuckie Egg until like a year ago. I saw it on YouTube, some gameplay of it, and so I thought it was a cool game. So how do I get up here? Shit! My God, what is happening? We jump there. No, I missed it. If it will be game over, I will have to do it once again actually, because this is a little bit embarrassing. Jump there. Oi, oi, oi. Over. Way the hell. Can I write here? Yep, there you go. Okay, let's go for one. I should try to focus there on the 3rd level. Okay, come on, there's 1 player. Cool tune, this one. So have to wait the birdies to get down from there, so I can come on, keep on going down there, you bird. There, okay. Get up there. There you go. So if there is any viewers here who has experience with Chuckie Egg, you can comment down in the comment section. What version is your favorite version? And what version is not good? I'm really interested. I have seen some, whoops, damn it, gameplay of a system called MSX, and that seems to be cool. But I don't have an MSX emulator, so I don't know how it works. Wait. So now we're back here again. So now I will try if it will be game over. I'm not gonna try it again because it will not be so fun to look at, I think. Me just going all over, trying once again. It's not that fun, is it? So try to time it here. There. Oops. Get up there. Oops. Oh, that was pure luck. Oh. How can I go down here? Don't jump backwards. No way! What the hell happened? Oh my god, this is a comedy. A tragic comedy. Let's watch this Chuckie dying all the time. On to there. Noops, shit. There, no, damn. This is what can I say? Tragic. No. Come on! This game over once again. Oh shit! What can I say? I liking the game. I'm not so good at timing these jumps, but of course it needs a little bit of practice, and you are good to go. So one should not give up. I'm just doing it here for the time's sake, so to speak. So it's a good version. I'm liking it. I will rate it 7 out of 10, and I will come back later on with another Chuckie game. So take it easy out there, take care, and have a good one. Goodbye.